Welcome to Wisdom for Seekers of Truth. Today's video on how to prepare to take risks, tips and tricks. Taking risks is an essential part of life, and it can lead to great rewards. However, it's not always easy to take risks, especially if you're unsure of what the outcome will be. In this video, we'll be sharing some valuable tips and tricks to help you prepare yourself before taking any big risks. By following these tips, you'll be able to make informed decisions and increase your chances of success. So, whether you're starting a new business, investing in the stock market, or trying a new hobby, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Step number 1. Do your research. Research is an essential step in taking risks. Before taking any significant risk, it's crucial to gather as much information as possible about the situation. Conducting research helps you understand the potential risks and rewards of the decision you're about to make, which can help you make an informed decision. Here are some specific reasons why it's important to do your research before taking risks. First reasons is to help you understand the situation. Conducting research helps you understand the context of the situation. You can gain a better understanding of the market, the competition, and any potential regulatory issues. This information can help you make an informed decision about whether or not the risk is worth taking. Second reasons is to enables you anticipate potential obstacles. Researching the situation can help you anticipate any potential obstacles or challenges that you may face. This can include market conditions, regulatory hurdles, or even unexpected setbacks that may occur. By identifying these potential obstacles early, you can develop a plan to overcome them. Third reasons is to help you evaluate potential rewards. Taking risks can result in significant rewards. However, it's important to have a realistic understanding of what those rewards may be. Researching the situation can help you evaluate the potential rewards of taking the risk, so you can determine if it's worth it. Fourth reasons is to help you make an informed decision. Ultimately, the purpose of conducting research is to make an informed decision about whether or not to take the risk. By gathering as much information as possible, you can make a decision based on facts, rather than on assumptions or speculation. Step number 2. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals is an important point to consider when taking risks because it helps you to have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve and what is possible. Having unrealistic goals can lead to disappointment and frustration, and can cause you to give up on your efforts altogether. When setting goals, it's important to take into account your own abilities and resources, as well as the potential obstacles you may face. Ask yourself questions such as, what am I hoping to achieve with this risk? What resources do I have available to me? What are the potential obstacles I may face? Is the goal achievable within the time frame I have set? By answering these questions, you can set realistic goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. This means that your goals should be specific. Clearly define what you want to achieve. Measurable. Establish how you will measure progress towards your goal. Achievable. Ensure that the goal is attainable based on your abilities and resources. Relevant. Make sure that the goal is aligned with your overall objectives and values. Time-bound. Set a deadline for achieving the goal. For example, if you're considering taking a risk to start your own business, setting a realistic goal might be to achieve a certain level of revenue within the first year of operation. You can break this down into specific targets such as the number of customers you need to acquire, the amount of sales you need to generate, and the expenses you need to keep under control. By setting realistic goals, you can stay motivated and focused on what you want to achieve, and you can track your progress along the way. It can also help you to adjust your strategy as needed, and to pivot your efforts if things aren't going as planned. Ultimately, setting realistic goals is an important step in preparing yourself to take risks, and it can help you to increase your chances of success. Step number 3. Build a support system. Building a support system is an essential part of taking risks. When you decide to take a risk, you are putting yourself in a vulnerable position. It can be challenging to navigate the unknown and face the potential consequences of your decision. This is where having a support system can make a significant difference. A support system can be made up of people who provide you with emotional support, guidance, and resources. They can offer you a different perspective, help you to identify potential risks, and even provide practical support to help you reach your goals. Building a support system can help you to feel less alone, less isolated, and less vulnerable in the face of risk. Here are some examples of people you can include in your support system. First set of people are family and friends. These are the people who know you best and who you can count on to provide you with emotional support. They can help you to stay positive and motivated, and provide you with encouragement when you need it most. Second set will be mentors. Mentors can provide you with guidance and advice based on their own experiences. They can help you to identify potential risks and pitfalls, and provide you with strategies to overcome them. Third set will be coaches. Coaches can help you to stay focused and motivated, and provide you with practical advice and support to help you reach your goals. Fourth set is professional networks. Professional networks can provide you with resources and connections to help you achieve your goals. They can help you to identify potential risks, and provide you with access to new opportunities. Step number 4, plan for contingencies. When taking risks, it's important to plan for contingencies. Contingencies refer to unexpected situations or obstacles that may arise during the course of your risk-taking venture. It's impossible to predict everything that may happen, but having a plan in place for potential setbacks can help you feel more confident and prepared. Here are a few reasons why planning for contingencies is important when taking risks. Reason number 1, reduces the impact of unexpected events. Even with the best planning, unexpected events can occur. Having a contingency plan in place can help you reduce the impact of those events. For example, if you're starting a new business, you might plan for the possibility of unexpected expenses or a sudden drop in revenue. By having a plan in place to address those issues, you can mitigate their impact on your business. Reason number 2, increases confidence. Knowing that you have a plan in place for potential setbacks can increase your confidence in taking risks. You'll feel more prepared and less anxious about the potential consequences of your actions. Reason number 3, enables quick decision-making. When unexpected events occur, you don't want to be caught off guard. Having a contingency plan in place can enable you to make quick decisions and take action when necessary. This can help you stay on track and avoid getting derailed by unexpected events. So, how can you plan for contingencies when taking risks? Here are a few steps. Tips number 1. Identify potential risks. Think about the potential risks that could arise during your risk-taking venture. Brainstorm as many possibilities as you can, and try to be as specific as possible. Tips number 2. Plan for each contingency. For each potential risk, develop a plan for how you will address it. This might involve allocating resources, adjusting your strategy, or seeking outside help. Tips number 3. Communicate the plan. Make sure that everyone involved in the risk-taking venture is aware of the contingency plan. This will ensure that everyone is on the same page and can act quickly if necessary. Tips number 4. Monitor and update the plan. Once you've developed a contingency plan, make sure to monitor it and update it as needed. As circumstances change, your plan may need to be adjusted to ensure that it remains effective. Step number 5. Take calculated risks. Taking calculated risks is an essential part of taking risks. While taking risks can lead to great rewards, it's important to take a thoughtful and intentional approach to risk-taking. Taking reckless risks can lead to disaster, while taking calculated risks can increase your chances of success. So what does it mean to take a calculated risk? Essentially, it means weighing the potential risks and rewards and making an informed decision about whether the risk is worth taking. This involves doing your research and gathering information about the potential risks and rewards of the situation. Look for information about similar situations that others have faced, and what they did to succeed or fail. This will help you make an informed decision about whether the risk is worth taking or not. In addition to doing your research, taking calculated risks also involves setting realistic goals. This means taking into account your own abilities and resources, as well as the potential obstacles you may face. Set clear and achievable goals that will help you measure your progress and determine whether or not the risk was worth taking. Taking calculated risks also involves planning for contingencies. This means thinking about what could go wrong, and having a plan in place for how to handle those situations. This will help you feel more confident in your decision to take the risk, knowing that you have a plan for dealing with any potential setbacks. Overall, Taking calculated risks is an important part of taking risks. By doing your research, setting realistic goals, and planning for contingencies, you can increase your chances of success and feel more confident in your decision to take risks. Step number 6. Embrace failure. One important point to consider when taking risks is the need to embrace failure. Failure is a natural part of taking risks, and it can happen even when you do everything right. However, it's essential to learn from failure and use it as a valuable learning experience. First, embracing failure means accepting that it is a normal part of the process of taking risks. When you take risks, there's always a chance that things won't work out as planned, and that's okay. It's important to acknowledge that failure is not a reflection of your abilities or worth as a person, but simply a part of the journey. Second, embracing failure means learning from it. When things don't go as planned, it's important to take the time to reflect on what happened and why. This can help you identify what went wrong and how you can improve in the future. It can also help you identify any mistakes you may have made and prevent you from making the same mistakes again. Third, embracing failure can also help you develop resilience. When you experience failure, it can be easy to become discouraged and give up. However, if you embrace failure as an opportunity to learn and grow, you can develop the resilience to persevere even when things get tough. This can be a valuable skill in all areas of life, not just when taking risks. Thank you for watching this video on how to prepare to take risks. Taking risks can be scary, but with the right preparation and mindset, it can lead to amazing opportunities and personal growth. Remember, taking risks doesn't mean being reckless. It means being willing to step out of your comfort zone and pursue your goals with courage and determination. To prepare for taking risks, make sure you have a clear plan, consider the potential consequences, and gather as much information as possible. Don't be afraid to seek advice from others who have experience in the area you're taking a risk in. We hope the tips and tricks we've shared in this video have been helpful in your own risk-taking journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And as always, stay brave, stay curious, and keep taking risks.